Hey, it's Emma with Medicare on Main, and in today's video, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of our Shield packages. I'll show you exactly what's inside each one, and just as important, why you need each piece. By the end, you'll know exactly which package fits your life. Let's start with the big picture. Original Medicare was never built to cover everything. It leaves five real gaps, five places where you can be left paying out of your own pocket. Those five gaps are your hospital costs, your medical costs, your prescriptions, your recovery care, and your dental, vision, and hearing. Now, every one of our Shield packages starts with the same foundation, a Medicare supplement. A supplement is a secondary to Medicare. After Medicare pays its share of a bill, your supplement pays your share. That's what makes it so simple to use, and it closes the first two gaps right away, your hospital costs and your medical costs. But that still leaves three gaps wide open, and that's exactly what the Shield packages are built to close. So let's go through them one by one. First up, the Bronze Shield. Bronze includes three things: your Medicare supplement, a prescription drug plan, and lump sum protection for cancer, heart attack, and stroke. Here's why each one matters. The supplement covers your hospital and medical share. The prescription drug plan covers your medications because Medicare doesn't include them on its own, and without it, a single prescription can cost you a fortune. And the cancer, heart attack, and stroke protection pays cash directly to you if you're ever diagnosed, so a major health event never turns into a major financial one. Bronze is your catastrophic coverage package. It shields you from the big, life changing events while keeping your premium lower. Next, the Silver Shield. Silver includes everything in bronze: your supplement, your prescription drug plan, and your cancer, heart attack, and stroke protection. And then it adds one more layer: short term care. This one is so important. Medicare only covers a small portion of home health care, and it covers no home health aid at all. So if you need help recovering at home after a surgery or a fall, that cost falls on you. Short term care closes that gap. And honestly, it saved our clients thousands of dollars and a whole lot of stress. And finally, the Gold Shield, our full coverage package and our most popular by far. Gold includes everything in silver and adds dental, vision, and hearing. Because here's the truth: original Medicare doesn't cover routine dental, vision, or hearing at all. No cleanings, no glasses, no hearing aids. Gold fills that in so you're covered from head to toe. If you want zero surprises and complete peace of mind, gold is the one. So here's the full picture. Bronze shields you from the catastrophic. Silver adds your recovery care. And gold covers all five gaps, start to finish. Every one of these packages is built around you, your health, your budget, and your priorities. So the best next step is simple: schedule a quick, no pressure consultation, and we'll put together the exact Shield package with the exact numbers that fit you. Just call Medicare on Main at 435 2603 to book. I'm Emma, and I'll see you soon.